I met Paul 22 years ago when I moved to town as a customer at his restaurant. Over that time, we developed a friendship between our families. Our kids went to school. Paul had lost his wife about a year before we lost our son Brian, and we lost our son Brian to suicide. And he really held my wife and I up. It was just amazing. He didn't ask any questions. He was there to support us as we had to learn how to live our life without our son in it. Mental health is a crisis. Suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in the United States. And in Connecticut, in 2018, we had over 400 suicide losses. That's 1 every 21 hours. It is imperative that members of our community really understand that there's resources and help for them out there if they're struggling. And Paul has been such an immense supporter of that he needs to be able to be reelected and support that work that he does for this particular area of our health care system. I can't think of anyone who would better serve the residents of his district than Paul, based on who he is and what he has accomplished. There's not a better person that I've met in my 22 years here in Connecticut than Paul Formica. Now more than ever, we need Paul.
Paid for by Formica for Senate, Devin Sullivan, Treasurer. Thank you, Paul. I'm Paul Formica, and I approve this message.